What's up YouTube? So guys, Volkswagen Passat kini no. Ang problema ni sumabog yung kanyang clutch master cylinder dahil dito po ang dahilan, yung kanyang clutch pressure plate sobrang compressed po at saka wala ng clearance dahil wala ng clearance. So pag apak nyo ng clutch pedal, hindi na po makapag-push ng maayos yung clutch sleeve cylinder, and then ang nangyayari, bumigay yung push rod ng clutch sleeve clutch master cylinder, bumigay, nabali po dahilan nandito dahil ang mali po talaga nito is yung kanyang clutch kit is not the correct brand, or not the correct or not prescribed on this model. So what we gonna do now is we gonna undo this one, and then we will compare it to the old one, the new one versus the old one. We will compare it, we will see what will be the difference, because I can see now here is really bad, like it doesn't no clearance anymore. So the clutch lining, there's no way that it can release freely because it's already being pressed in here. So this is the wrong part that was putting in, so we will correct this one. So next time when you're putting clutch kit, make sure you have to examine, or you have to do inspection like this one here, not only putting the parts, but you have to be like very vigilant on parts, no? Because this one now is not correct. So the supplier, the wrong thing here is the supplier. They just supply things that the mechanic assume that is correct because they put the rates on and everything, but it turns to be like this one. It's the wrong parts actually, wrong clutch kit. As you can see guys, the position here, this one is a little bit higher and this one is a little bit low profile. So make sure you like when you're putting parts, make sure you like compare, otherwise there will be a back job, no? So you try to avoid the back job here. So there is a difference in between, like see the profile of the plate, like 2mm difference. And we will also compare here. As you can see, it's like the same. It's like the same, but actually it's not, because as you can see here, the pressure finger plate here is too much forward here compared to here. Okay, so we're gonna also compare the clutch disc between the old one and the new one. We bring up the old one. So we have, this is the old one. So we're gonna compare the size of this one, diameter. Seems like they are the same diameter, like the circumference is the same, but we'll compare on the other side. Yeah, the clutch disc is or the clutch lining, no, is the same. The only big difference here is the clutch pressure plate is not the same. So it was mixed up, no, mixed up in between. But the clutch disc or clutch lining is the same. Only these two, this clutch pressure plate is different. So no choice, we're gonna use the old clutch pressure plate. Okay, so that's the thing. The reason why we are changing the clutch kit, because here the input shaft here is loose, is there's no, see, it actually freely to move. So the tension here in the input shaft is gone. The reason for that, because he put it like the oversized tire. That's the reason why the clutch lining, guys, the input shaft of the clutch lining or give up, because that's the reason, that because of the oversized wheel, front wheel. It's too heavy for the clutch lining to rotate, no? Very heavy to rotate, or the gear to rotate. So that's the disadvantage of putting oversized wheel. So this is like the wheel size here is, this is like let me see what size is this one here. So this is 19 235, which is very wide. 235 35 19. The profile is 19 and the wide is 235. So this is too heavy to spin on the gear, and then if the gear doesn't give up, clutch lining do, the input shaft will give up because of this. Too heavy for the gear or the drive shaft to rotate. Okay, so see this one. So you guys think about if you like changing tire, or you might planning to oversize the wheels of your car. You think about this, it will literally destroy everything, because this model is can only accommodate like 16, 17 or 18 size of the wheel, but other than that, it will always broke your heart or broke your wallet because of this. So do not put oversized tires on your vehicle, otherwise you will come up this broken input shaft like this one. See that? It doesn't engage anymore because there's no connection. The spring loaded in here, spring tension spring in here inside is no longer holding the pressure. It really bad. So that's why think before you do oversized tires on your wheels on your car. Okay, thank you.